Dry skin can be frustrating, and finding the perfect beauty oil to combat it is key. In today's video, we'll be reviewing 5 incredible oils that deeply hydrate and restore moisture to your skin, leaving you feeling soft and nourished. Whether you have sensitive skin or are looking for a luxurious nighttime treatment, these oils are guaranteed to work wonders. Let's dive into our top picks for the best beauty oils for dry skin. Kicking off our list at number 1, Josie Maran Argan Oil. The Josie Maran Argan Oil is a luxurious and versatile beauty oil that has gained a cult following for its ability to deeply hydrate and nourish the skin. Made from 100% pure argan oil, it's known for its rich texture and high concentration of essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E. This oil promises to replenish moisture, smooth fine lines, and restore a natural, healthy glow. Key features. The Josie Maran Argan Oil boasts a simple yet effective formula that includes 100% organic, cold-pressed argan oil. It is rich in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and vitamin E, which work together to hydrate, soften, and protect the skin. The oil is also lightweight and non-greasy, making it suitable for various skin types, from dry to sensitive. The bottle is designed to prevent oxidation, ensuring the oil stays fresh for longer. Benefits and usage. The Josie Maran Argan Oil is an excellent choice for dry skin because it provides deep hydration without clogging pores. It's perfect for use on the face, hair, and even the body. For face use, a few drops applied after cleansing and before moisturizing can leave your skin feeling nourished and glowing. For hair, it helps to tame frizz and add shine. Regular use can also help with skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines. Usability. Josie Maran's Argan Oil is incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily skincare routine. Its multi-use nature makes it a great addition to both morning and nighttime routines. It absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue behind, which is perfect for people with oily or combination skin who may hesitate to use oils. The oil can also be mixed with other skincare products for added moisture and nourishment. Durability. The Josie Maran Argan Oil is known for its long-lasting effects. After regular use, you will notice that your skin feels hydrated and supple throughout the day. Due to its potent formula, a small amount goes a long way, making this product an excellent investment. The oil's shelf life is impressive. As long as it's stored in a cool, dry place, the product remains effective for months. In the second spot, we have Sunday Riley Juno. Sunday Riley's Juno Oil is a potent, multitasking facial oil that is formulated to deliver intense hydration, protect, and balance the skin's natural oils. This oil contains a blend of cold-pressed, antioxidant-rich oils like blueberry seed oil and plum seed oil. It's designed to provide deep nourishment while helping to balance oil production, making it an excellent choice for those with dry or combination skin. Key features. The key feature of Sunday Riley's Juno Oil is its unique blend of cold-pressed oils that provide high levels of antioxidants, fatty acids, and essential vitamins. It includes blueberry seed oil, which is rich in omega-3s, and plum seed oil, which provides anti-inflammatory benefits. The formula also contains chia seed oil, which is excellent for restoring skin moisture and radiance. This oil is also free from parabens, sulfates, and cruelty-free. Benefits and usage. Sunday Riley Juno Oil is designed to hydrate and balance the skin, leaving it feeling soft and dewy. It helps to replenish dry, parched skin while preventing further moisture loss. A few drops can be applied to the face after cleansing, helping to seal in moisture and restore a healthy glow. This oil can also be mixed with your daily moisturizer or foundation for a luminous, hydrated look. Usability. The oil is light in texture and absorbs quickly, making it ideal for both daytime and nighttime use. It's versatile and can be applied directly to the skin or mixed with other products in your skincare routine. Those with combination skin will appreciate how the oil balances hydration without feeling too heavy or greasy. Additionally, it can be used as a targeted treatment for dry patches and areas of irritation. Durability. The Sunday Riley Juno Oil is highly effective with just a few drops. You don't need to use much for it to work its magic. With regular use, you'll notice your skin becomes more resilient and nourished. As with most high-quality oils, a little goes a long way, making the bottle last for several months. Its nourishing formula ensures your skin stays hydrated and protected long after application. Coming in at number 3 is the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery. Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate is a powerful nighttime beauty oil formulated to repair and restore skin overnight. This oil features a blend of essential oils such as lavender, evening primrose, and squalane, which work to soothe and deeply nourish the skin while you sleep. It's particularly designed for dry and dehydrated skin, promising to deliver a refreshed, smooth, and hydrated complexion by morning. Key features. The key features of Kiehl's Midnight Recovery include its signature blend of botanical oils and its focus on nighttime skincare. It contains squalane, which helps to replenish moisture and prevent dehydration, while evening primrose oil is rich in omega-6 fatty acids that help maintain skin's barrier. Lavender oil is added for its calming properties, promoting restful sleep while enhancing skin repair. The product is paraben-free and dermatologist-tested. Benefits and usage. The Midnight Recovery Oil is designed to be applied before bedtime, allowing the nourishing ingredients to work as you sleep. It deeply hydrates, restores elasticity, and helps diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's particularly great for anyone with dry or irritated skin, as it helps to calm and heal while promoting a smooth and plump appearance. Apply 2 to 3 drops directly to the face after cleansing to achieve the best results. Usability. This oil has a light, silky texture that absorbs quickly into the skin, so you won't have to worry about it feeling greasy on your pillow. The relaxing scent of lavender helps enhance the overall experience, making it ideal for a nighttime skincare routine. It's simple to use and suitable for all skin types, though especially beneficial for those dealing with dry skin or environmental stress. Durability. The Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Oil is a concentrated formula, so a few drops are all that's needed. With regular use, your skin will feel noticeably more hydrated and rejuvenated. It's also effective over the long term, helping to reduce the signs of aging and restoring moisture and glow. The bottle lasts for several months, providing great value for money considering its effectiveness and longevity. Taking our 4th spot is Herbivore Botanicals Lapis. Herbivore Botanicals Lapis Facial Oil is a luxurious, hydrating oil designed for dry, irritated, and sensitive skin. Infused with blue tansy oil, a natural anti-inflammatory, and squalane, it's perfect for soothing and calming the skin while delivering deep moisture. The oil's calming properties make it especially beneficial for those dealing with redness or breakouts, providing both hydration and balance to the skin. Key features. Herbivore Botanicals Lapis Oil is crafted with a blend of powerful, natural ingredients such as blue tansy oil, which is known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. It also contains squalane, which deeply hydrates and locks in moisture. The oil is lightweight and non-greasy, yet it packs a punch when it comes to nourishing dry skin. The blue color of the oil comes naturally from the blue tansy extract and adds a unique, beautiful touch to the product. Benefits and usage. Lapis oil is designed to deeply hydrate and balance the skin, making it an excellent option for those with dry or sensitive skin. The oil can be used to calm redness and irritation, promoting a more even complexion. A few drops can be applied after cleansing, both morning and night, to keep the skin moisturized and soothed. It's especially effective for calming reactive or inflamed skin after exposure to the elements. Usability. The oil is lightweight and absorbs quickly, making it suitable for both morning and evening routines. It can be layered with other skincare products or used as a standalone treatment. Its calming properties make it ideal for people dealing with skin irritation or redness, while its ability to hydrate ensures long-lasting moisture. You can even use it to address dryness caused by harsh weather or environmental stressors. Durability. Herbivore Botanicals Lapis Oil is highly concentrated, so a few drops are all that's needed to achieve smooth, hydrated skin. The oil's soothing benefits last throughout the day, ensuring your skin stays hydrated and calm. Regular use over time can lead to significant improvements in skin texture, leaving it more balanced and even. The bottle is designed to preserve the oil's freshness, making it last for several months. And finally, at number 5, we have Drunk Elephant Marula Oil. Drunk Elephant's Marula Oil is a luxury beauty oil that promises to hydrate, repair, and nourish dry skin. Sourced from the marula fruit in Africa, this oil is rich in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and amino acids. It works to strengthen the skin's moisture barrier and restore a healthy, youthful glow, making it perfect for those with dry or aging skin in need of intensive hydration. Key features. Drunk Elephant's Marula Oil is packed with antioxidants and essential fatty acids that help to repair the skin, restore moisture, and protect against environmental stressors. The oil is cold-pressed and unrefined, ensuring that all the nutrients are preserved in their purest form. The formula is free of silicones, fragrances, and artificial additives, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. Benefits and usage. This oil deeply nourishes and replenishes dry skin, restoring its natural radiance. It helps to smooth fine lines and promotes overall skin health. A few drops of the oil can be applied directly to the face, or mixed with other skincare products for a more hydrated, glowing complexion. It's perfect for use both in the morning and evening, helping to lock in moisture throughout the day and night. Usability. Drunk Elephant's Marula oil has a light, silky texture that absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It's versatile and can be used on both the face and body. It can also be incorporated into your hair care routine to add shine and softness. For those with sensitive skin, this oil is a great choice because it's free from harsh chemicals and fragrances. Durability. This oil is highly effective, and only a small amount is needed for each use. With consistent application, your skin will stay moisturized, smooth, and plump. Over time, you'll see a visible improvement in the texture and tone of your skin. The bottle is designed to preserve the oil's potency, and with proper storage, it will remain effective for several months. And that's a wrap on our review of the best beauty oils for dry skin. Whether you're looking for intense hydration, soothing properties, or a glow boost, these oils have got you covered. Remember, the key to glowing, healthy skin starts with the right products. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect oil to keep your skin nourished and radiant. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert reviews and skincare tips. Take care of your skin, and we'll see you in the next video.